I'm sure you've noticed your Roomba just isn't charging. Before you panic, let's look at the most common causes and how you can fix them. First, check if your Roomba's charging contacts are dirty. Dust and debris build up easily, stopping the battery from connecting. Grab a dry cloth or a soft brush and gently wipe the metal contacts on both the Roomba and its charging dock. Next, make sure the charging dock is plugged in and the outlet is working. Try plugging in another device to confirm there's power. If the Roomba shows no lights at all, it might be a power issue. Now, inspect your battery. If your Roomba is several years old, the battery could just be worn out. Over time, batteries lose their ability to hold a charge. Consider replacing it if nothing else works. Finally, try resetting your Roomba. Hold down the clean button for about 20 seconds until you hear a tone. This can clear simple software glitches that sometimes stop charging. If you've tried all these steps and your Roomba still won't charge, it may be time to contact iRobot support. Remember, most problems have simple solutions. With a few quick checks, you can keep your Roomba rolling.